Today I want to tell you about one issue you might be having in your diet, about why you might be seeing a lot slower weight loss than you might be expecting, or potentially what might be causing you to eat less than what you think you should be. It's very simple, and I'm going to be calling it lost calories. These are calories that some people just don't track or don't think to track because they think it means nothing. We are talking the 5 to 10 calorie, maybe 15 calorie items. For example, fish oils. Those are 10 calories per soft gel cap typically, maybe even higher. I've seen up to 20 per serving, so 2 gel caps, 20 calories. These are sauces. If you are a big fan of hot sauces and various sauces, they might say 5 calories, they might say 10 calories. Those 5 to 10 calories add up if you don't realize how much of the sauce you are pouring on your food. That can mean hundreds of calories over the course of a day if you're eating the same meals. In addition, gummies. We talked about fish oil, now gummies. If you take whatever it is, vitamin B12, magnesium, D3, K2, whatever they are, if they are gummies, those have usually 10 to 15 calories per serving. If you're taking multiple different vitamins and supplements, that can be, again, up to, I'd say, 100 to 200 calories a day and just miscellaneous things. I don't have one beside me, but energy drinks are a good example. I'd never recommend a full sugar energy drink to anyone. If you're going to drink one and you go for the no sugar or low calorie options, those typically have anywhere from 5 to say 15 calories per serving per can, basically. That means if you're drinking more than one of those a day, you can easily be hitting 20, 30 plus calories in addition to everything else. If you are eating, or I not should say eating, but if you are consuming hundreds of calories more per day extra, that is, let's say 200 calories. If you're consuming 200 calories more per day over the course of a week, that's 1,400 calories. That's about almost half a pound of fat and rough weight loss that you were missing out on, and also food that you could be consuming. If you're fine with the weight loss you're at, you're missing out on 200 calories of food. That's an entire protein bar. That's various protein sources. That is cheese. That is whatever 200 calories you'd want. Some bags of popcorn are 200 calories that you are missing out on. There's so much to pay attention to. Of course, it is confusing. Yes, at times. Spend a few days, maybe even 7 days. Spend the time and audit your calories. Track everything, and I mean everything. Track your water intake and just pay attention to it for a short amount of time and know exactly what you're consuming and where you might be able to cut things out that you may not need. It makes a difference. I myself have about 100 calories worth of stuff that I was able to pay attention to and actually begin to notice a bit more. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. I'm sure there are resources, or not resources, but calories you are missing out on. And I'd say and recommend it is worth taking a look at them before you are months along the way and you just realized it. If this has helped, let me know down below, and I will talk to you all later.